What's up, folks? We back at it with another video. Hopefully we can catch some fish. We're gonna fish this small little creek for just a little bit. Not we won't be fishing here for long. We're gonna see what we can do here, and make sure you guys subscribe to the Meglabass T-Shirt channel. Make sure you like this video. I will put all my social media down here. Make sure you go give a follow. And I want to say thank you guys for watching this video, and let's get into it, guys. Throw this chatterbait a little bit. It's still a little shallow, but I think we'll be able to catch something. Something wants to eat. So yeah, they already showed themselves. They're here now. Just gotta catch them. Just gotta catch them, guys. Something just hit it. Not sure what it was though. Got one, guys. Oh, that's a good bass. Oh, that's a spot too, guys. That's a spot. Ooh. Wow. That is a decent spot, guys. Wow. That is dope. Look at that. Guys, that's a spot for sure, guys. You see that? First fish of today. I just made my fourth cast, and just caught me a freaking monster, guys. This is a spotted bass. Let me make sure. No, oh, I feel it. I feel some hair down there. Well, even if this is not a spot, you guys let me know. He got very distinctive a pattern, I would say, but I don't really feel anything on his tongue. Now if you go further back there, you feel something, but I don't really feel anything on his tongue. Shout out to this bass for eating my chatterbait. Appreciate that, buddy. Yeah. First big one of the day. See if we can catch some more just like that. Probably gonna go with a Ned rig real quick. See if we can pick anything off, catch anything. These are some great Ned rigs, guys. The Z-Man Finesse TRD, I believe it's called. It's a little cricket, but it'll be alright. They won't even know if we can catch anything with this guy. Should be able to catch all the small fish with this one. A couple bass too. Throw it by that running water right here. Whew. It's gonna kill, guys. I already know it. Now we just need to find some bass. Oh, got one right here. This one's a spot though. Oh yeah, you showed yourself, buddy. Thank you. Alright, stop jumping so I can... Come on, buddy. You're already hooked. You're not going nowhere. These guys are aggressive. Now this is a spot, guys. Oh yeah. I feel it. You guys can see it too, his patterns. He looks just like the other fish, but he's not as green as the other bass, but he got a hair patch on him. Just catching these small bass, guys. Just catching these small guys and just having some fun. Smoked them. Like I said, I put on this first cast with the net rig and he's twisted it all up. Jesus Christ, buddy. I'm trying to save money, man. What the heck? Nope, he didn't go that way. Let's keep on moving. Come on, fishies. Don't tell me this is a drum. Oh, this is a carp, guys. Wow. Okay. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Come on. Alright guys, this is the third species of the day. Called us a carp. These fish are very, very populated in this creek. And I just snagged one on accident, so actually never caught me a carp before, so well, I think this is a common carp or grass carp, I don't know, but never caught one. So let's throw him back. Come on guy, I'm just throwing you back. Chill out. There you go. Those things are freaking slimy. Slimy fish. We're gonna tie on something, and then we're gonna make a big move. Just make a big move, guys. About to make a quick move, guys. Let's see if we can find a little bit more creek. See if we can catch some creek fish. I like this. This is fun. Go out and catch fish in such an urban setting. Let's see if we can continue this pattern. Let's go. Alright guys, we just made it back to this other side of the creek channel. And I got hung up. There we go. There should be some bass in here for sure. It's just highly populated with a lot of rocks. Got one, guys. Finally got one. Whew, it took forever. These bass are hard to get. Jesus. All right. Got me one, and it's a spot, and he's trying to bite me. He's a little angry he ate. Sorry, buddy. Next time, don't eat, right? Little nice spot, guys. Look at that. So nice. Thank you, little guy. I appreciate your efforts. You're trying to eat my bait. Tell your friends to, you know, eat my bait, please. Whoa, buddy. Whoa. It's about time, guys. Man, I was thinking we wasn't gonna catch anything after that one carp. Let me tell you guys how urban this is. There's like a walker right here or something. You guys see that? Man, this is crazy. This place is Dirty, filthy. Really filthy. If I had a jig, I'd be going to town. Alright guys, let's see if we can catch some more fish. Oh boy. Oh. Whew. I got smoked. I think we found them now. They showing themselves now. Got him. This is a bass. Got him. These are some sneaky little bass, guys. Nope, just regular bass, guys. Little small guy, little creek guy. I'm telling you guys, whoa, buddy, come on. I'll let you go now. You're gonna be showing off now. I'm gonna let you go. Just chill out, boy. Oh, there he is. Off the TRD finesse. The finesse. Finessing them. They're really getting finessed, guys. Let's see if we can catch some more bass before the sun goes down. And then, man, it's been a good day so far. We call this 2 different types of bass: spotted bass, largemouth, and then we call this a carp. And then we're about to catch us a bluegill too, as soon as. There's so many little bluegill right here. They're too small. We need big papa. I know where they're at. I just gotta get over there first without getting hung up. Got one. Got one. Oh, he's a head shaker. He's a head shaker. This is a spotted bass right here. Whoa. Come on, guy. Oh, he's barely hooked. Ugh. Barely hooked, guys. Barely hooked, guys. There we go. Nice. Spotted bass. Yeah, it's a spot. Definitely is a spot, guys. Just nice spotted bass with the sun. Just sunrise right there. We're gonna throw this guy back real quick and see if we can catch us one more fish. One more, guys. One more. These little bass are so addictive. See ya. Bunch of bluegill right here, guys. There's definitely a couple spots right here that I can see. Got that spot. Got him. Got this guy. Oh man, this guy is. I've seen his ass too. Seen him. He was just chilling out with the bluegills, and he nailed it. There we go. There we go, guys. Another bass. Let's throw him back. Let's throw this guy back. Alright, folks. That's all she wrote. Just fishing this little creek right here. by some apartments, by a park, you know, just urban. There's a lot of trash out here, but it doesn't really surprise me. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment on this video. Let me know what you think about this video and what you would like to see in the future, guys. We're gonna be pushing out some content. It is winter time, but today felt really good, and I'm like, man, let's get out there and let's go catch some fish. So thank you guys. I'll catch you guys on another episode of Bay Boy Bassing. Thank you.